So we are here at the station of the INCOFYRA conference, a landmark conference here at Prashanti, January 4th, 2016. And what we are seeing over here are very highlighted presentations from thesis work that's been obtained. And here we see, this is young scholar, a bright, brilliant scholar, Guru Deo, who has worked with the technology of bioelectrography. And this particular study, called Subtle Energy Changes in Males and Females Practicing Meditation, a cross-sectional study. And this study was undertaken in a location called Pyramid Valley. And Guru Deo is now going to give us a succinct summary, as this is a prelude to his thesis presentation, and he is providing this to another scholar in the neuroscience department. Continue, please.
Yes, so this is the study.
Little
Subtle
louder.
energy changes in male and females practicing meditation, a cross-sectional study. In this study, the practitioner, they were practicing Anapanasati meditation. This is one of the meditation discussed in Theravada school of Buddhism. This is initial part of Vipassana meditation. In Vipassana meditation, in this meditation, initial part, meditators, they focus their attention on the breath. When inhaling, they focus their attention on the inhalation. While exhaling also, they focus their attention on the exhalation. And if there is wandering of the mind, they again take the attention and focus on their breathing. So this was the meditation. In this study, the aim was to track the cumulative effect of this meditation in long-term meditator and short-term meditator. And the assessment was done using electrophotonic imaging tools. And also there was objective to explore the gender-based differences in cumulative effect of meditation practice, and also to observe possible shift of this nostril dominance due to meditation practice. Total number of the subjects were 482. Out of 482, we excluded 50 subjects due to this extreme values, and also there is a integral area parameter. According to integral area parameter, if -6 up to +1, within this range the value were selected and considered they were healthy. Who were having more values, we excluded. And 432 subjects were analyzed using cross-sectional research design. And the result was this. In the tabular form here, two parameters, integral area parameters and integral entropy parameters, we can see here highly significant. In long-term meditators, short-term also and long-term also, these two parameters were highly significant. This indicates that the female meditator, they were having more benefits because of the meditation practice. In terms of when we say integral entropy and integral area parameters.
Okay, I have a question.
Yes.
How did you differentiate long-term practitioners with short-term practitioners?
Yes, this is based on the self-reporting. When we took demographic details, so those who were practicing meditation from 6 months up to 5 years, we put these subject meditators into short-term meditators group. And who were practicing more than 5 years, up to 12 years, we put these subjects into long-term meditator. This was the criteria to select long-term meditator and short-term meditator.
How many meditators were in long-term and short-term?
Yes, in long-term meditators, there were total number 264 male and 164 female. Yes, this is total.
How many were long-term and how many short-term meditators were there?
Yes, actually it is not given here.
Did you do differentiation between, or did you do any correlation study?
No, we didn't do any correlation.
Okay. So another question I have, why females are getting more benefited compared to males?
Yes, because by nature, by inbuilt nature, there was one study done in USA, and they reported that females, because of their nature, they are taking more this interest in practicing all these alternative therapies, including meditation also. This one reason. That is why, because of emotional dominance also, they take very intense and with intensity taking part.
I have another question for you.
Yes.
So it is not the effect of your meditation showing the impact, because of they were practicing other practices also could have influenced your study.
Yes, but in the demographic details, we try to seek the information whether they are practicing other type of meditation or any other alternative therapies or not. So they have reported they were practicing only Anapana meditation. So that is why when we got the result, so we conclude that it is the effect of meditation, what they practice for a long period of time. Because in details they have given.
So what techniques you have used?
This is called electrophotonic imaging. Another name is GDV, gas discharge visualization. In this technique, we ask the subject to keep the tip of the finger in this cabinet. There is inside electrophotonic imaging. So there is CCT camera. We ask the subject to keep the tip of the finger on the glass plate, and we keep short pulse of current with high voltage and high frequency, so that we are able to capture the electron emission from the tip of the fingers. And we process the whole captured image up to both hands, 10 images, into inbuilt software. And this software gives all the values of integral area and integral entropy parameter, including activation coefficient, which measures the stress level.
So in conclusion?
Yes, in conclusion, females of long-term meditator and short-term meditator, they demonstrate us that they are having less stress compared to males. And also, at the energy level, they are also having less disorderliness of energy. And in integral area, which measures the health, they also showed more improvement compared to males.
Very good.
Fantastic.
Thank you.
Guru Deo, thank you immensely. Thank you immensely. So, what we are observing here is Prashanti Kutiram would be considered today the Nalanda University of all of Southeast Asia, because you see the exemplary exploration and research that is being conducted by bright, brilliant youth that we see all around us here. And this is the future of Bharat, where we see exemplary investigative designs with high scientific validity combined with great wisdom. So let's do an Om together.